Hey guys, so if you've changed your oil and you still have this maintenance required light that's on and you want to know how to reset it, it's actually quite simple. I'll show you how to do it right here. This is a 2020 Toyota Corolla Hybrid, and you can do this probably with some other models as well, but this is the car I'm using for this video. So first of all, let's just turn it off. There's a power button here. So you'll start the car. Alright, so that maintenance light is on there. What you're gonna have to do is, on your steering wheel, push back, and you'll have to go into, like, here's the miles per gallon thing. You have to scroll all the way till you hit this one right here. Let's see if you can see this better. Like that. And then you'll scroll down again until you hit the vehicle settings. So right here, you'll push the OK button. Okay. And you'll hold it for about 3 seconds. And this will pop up. It says TPWS and scheduled maintenance. You'll scroll down, scheduled maintenance, push OK, and it says reset data. Yes. Push that. Reset complete. Now we'll go back and back. So now that light should be gone. No message. And we can test it out again, turn the car off. Turn it on. There you go. There's no more scheduled maintenance light.